Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Typeform account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you connect your Google Sheets to your Typeform? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to connect your Typeform to your Google Sheets anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe setting up automations, you know it's important to set up your Typeform to send the responses directly into your Google Sheet, and that way you can continue on automation, maybe for make.com or directly to your VAs. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Typeform account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up my Typeform account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and connect your Typeform to a Google Sheet, there's actually two different ways you can get to it. The first and easiest way is you're going to click on Forms here on the top left out of these three options. Once you do that, you want to look for the Typeform that you want to connect to a Google Sheets. So for example, this one right here, Chinese food poll. And then off to the right, you're going to see these three little dots. Click on there. And then once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click on Connect. That's the first way to get to the correct section. The other way is you can just click into the poll and just open it right up. Okay, so once you've opened up your form, you're going to see all the different questions up here. You can also look here towards the top and there's these 5 options. Click on Connect. Either way, it's going to bring you to the same place. Okay, so now it's going to bring you here to the integrations. Now, one thing I want to let you know is you need to be sure that you're working in the correct form and correct workspace. So here's the workspace, and then here is the Typeform that we're working on. And then all you're going to do is just scroll down until you see Google Sheets with a green logo. If you don't see that for some reason, just click here in the search bar and type in Google Sheets and it should show up. And in order to connect your Typeform to Google Sheets, click on Connect. Okay, next Typeform will ask you to go ahead and log into your Google. So I'm going to click here, log in. Okay, next Typeform asks you to go ahead and choose the Google account you want to connect. So for me, I'll go ahead and choose this one. Okay, next Google is warning me that I'm about to share my name, email address, and language preference with Typeform. If you're okay with that, click on Continue. Okay, so next you need to tell Google what accesses and permissions you're going to give Typeform. So I'm going to go ahead and check this one all and then scroll to the bottom. Okay, once you scroll down, click on Continue. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now Typeform is asking me, where do I want to send the responses to my Typeform? So if you've already set up a form, you can go ahead and use existing, or you can do what I'm going to do and click on Create New Sheet. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and name the spreadsheet. Okay, I just named it Typeform Chinese Restaurant Poll, and then I'm going to click on Create Sheet. Okay, lastly, they're asking me to go ahead and confirm that I want to activate the integration. So click here. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see right here in Google Sheets, you're going to have this like blue check mark. And then also it lets you know you can come back in and view the spreadsheet. So everything that's submitted through this one particular Typeform would go into this Google Sheet. If you have other forms or other Typeforms that are running, you can route them to the same Google Sheet if you want, or you would just create a new Google Sheet. And if you want to see what it looks like, just click here, view your spreadsheet. Okay, as you can see here, Typeform set up this Google Sheet. So each one of those questions or responses are going to have its own column. So it's just going to go right down here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Sheets to your Typeform, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.